Welcome to the United States of America, a land of opportunity, diversity, innovation, and breathtaking landscapes. From towering skyscrapers to vast natural wonders, America is a country built on ambition and dreams. Our journey begins in New York City, the city that never sleeps. The skyline rises dramatically above the Hudson River, with the Statue of Liberty standing proudly as a symbol of freedom and hope. Times Square glows with bright lights and endless energy, while Central Park offers a peaceful escape within the urban jungle. America's story is deeply connected to immigration, resilience, and cultural fusion. In Washington, D.C., historic monuments and the White House reflect the nation's political foundations. The United States is a country shaped by revolution, civil rights movements, and continuous transformation. From the early colonies to modern global leadership, America's identity has evolved through determination and vision. Every city, every state carries a unique character, contributing to the vast and complex story of this powerful nation. Traveling west, we reach the heart of American entertainment, Los Angeles. Here, Hollywood represents the global film industry, where dreams of stardom are born. The Hollywood sign overlooks a city filled with creativity and ambition. Nearby, the beaches of Santa Monica stretch along the Pacific Ocean, offering golden sunsets and laid-back California vibes. Further north lies San Francisco, home to the iconic Golden Gate Bridge, rising above misty waters. America's innovation is evident in Silicon Valley, where technology companies have transformed the modern world. From groundbreaking inventions to digital revolutions, the United States continues to shape global progress. Chicago stands proudly in the Midwest, known for its bold architecture and deep-rooted music culture. Across the country, cities reflect diversity, different accents, cuisines, traditions, and lifestyles blending into one national identity. The American dream continues to inspire millions who seek opportunity and success within its borders. Beyond its cities, America's natural landscapes are among the most spectacular in the world. The Grand Canyon reveals layers of earth carved over millions of years, stretching endlessly beneath the desert sky. In Yellowstone National Park, geysers erupt dramatically, and wildlife roams freely across untouched terrain. The Rocky Mountains rise majestically, offering snow-covered peaks and scenic trails. In the east, the Great Smoky Mountains create misty horizons filled with forests and waterfalls. Alaska presents glaciers, icy fjords, and vast wilderness, while Hawaii offers tropical beaches and volcanic landscapes in the Pacific Ocean. America's geography is incredibly diverse. Deserts in Arizona, swamps in Louisiana, rolling plains in Kansas, and dense forests in Oregon. These natural wonders reflect the immense size and beauty of the country, attracting millions of travelers seeking adventure and exploration. From coast to coast, the United States showcases nature on a grand scale. American culture is a dynamic blend of global influences. Music genres such as jazz, blues, rock, hip-hop, and country were born here, shaping the world's soundtracks. Sports play a major role in national life, from American football and basketball to baseball and ice hockey. Festivals, parades, and national holidays celebrate unity and pride. American cuisine reflects diversity, from classic hamburgers and barbecue to international flavors brought by immigrant communities. In New Orleans, jazz rhythms fill historic streets, while Texas is known for bold flavors and cowboy heritage. Las Vegas shines brightly in the desert, symbolizing entertainment and nightlife. The United States is also home to world-class universities and research institutions, contributing to scientific breakthroughs and innovation. Freedom of expression, entrepreneurship, and individuality are core elements of American identity. It is a nation constantly reinventing itself, balancing tradition with progress. As our journey across the United States comes to an end, we reflect on a country defined by scale, ambition, and diversity. From the bright lights of New York City to the peaceful shores of California, from historic landmarks in Washington, D.C. to the vast wilderness of national parks, America offers endless stories to discover. It is a land where cultures unite, where innovation drives the future, and where landscapes inspire awe. The United States is not just a country, it is an idea, a belief in possibility and opportunity. Its strength lies in its diversity, its resilience, and its ability to adapt to change. As the sun sets over the Pacific and rises again in the east, America continues its journey forward. Until the next adventure, farewell from the United States, a nation of dreams, determination, and unforgettable horizons.